When intelligent technology empowers automotive manufacturing, Logiant's Smart Factory is redefining the efficiency boundaries of material transfer across industrial campuses. At the Geely Auto Production Campus, the inter-plant transfer of components is a critical part of ensuring continuous production. Traditional manual handling faces multiple challenges, including low efficiency, high costs, safety risks, and complex workforce management. How can long-distance, round-the-clock autonomous transport be achieved? Efficiency and cost are at the core of industrial logistics. This project enables 24/7 continuous operation, fully replacing manual transport, significantly improving transfer efficiency, and reducing labor and management costs, truly achieving cost reduction and efficiency improvement for the factory. Equipped with multi-sensor fusion technology, the system enables long-distance interplant transport of up to 1,000 meters. Vehicles are automatically dispatched to complete material pickup from the welding workshop and delivery to the stamping and welding workshop. The entire process is fully autonomous and seamlessly integrated with Geely Auto's existing logistics systems, ensuring real-time data synchronization. The solution meets the demand for outdoor smart logistics upgrades within the Geely Auto campus, providing strong logistics support for flexible manufacturing and fulfilling the promise of empowering industrial transformation. From automotive to chemical industries, Logiant's autonomous towing robots have been successfully deployed in over 10 industry applications.